here's the latest on Winter Storm Gianna. A winter storm warning is in effect for the southern Appalachians, eastern Georgia, the Carolinas, and southeastern Virginia. Blizzard conditions are possible for the North Carolina Outer Banks into the Delmarva Peninsula with dangerous onshore winds. Major coastal flooding is expected along the Outer Banks to the Virginia Capes. Record cold and wind chills below zero are forecast for the southeast through Tuesday. Stay tuned to the Weather Channel for the latest.